What's up, YouTube? I know you haven't heard from me in quite a while, so it's a new year, it's a new dawn, it's a new life for me. So we're just gonna break it down simple. 87, 69, 73, 14. I know you like that one, Bethany. I know you like that one. We got 219. You go 311, 3 doors down. You just keep it real simple. Something like 19. Something like 29. I could even. You know what? Yeah, 99. You guys want that? 89, 81, 82. 14. No, just play 15, do 15. Alright, but seriously, 17. Let's get to the basics. 21, 22. You got 412. You got 410. Just keep it real simple. I got 545. I got 112. I got like. Now I'm playing, dude. I gotta bring it back with Bethany. I gotta bring it back. 14. Alright, yeah. Yo, I'll catch you guys later. Yo, remember to check out Todd Webster's channel and click subscribe. Check it.